Hello children, I'm your social mom speaking. Today we are going to start our new lesson. It's about time. What is our new lesson? It's about time. Dear children, before we start, take your studio, your note, your pencil, an eraser, a sharpener and a water bottle. Yes, we are going to focus on how we keep track of the days and dates, how to arrange different events that happen in our family and around us in a sequential order. Yes, children, calendar. Calendar is important to us. There is no calendar. We couldn't identify the days, dates, months, and years. Nowadays, we can see the calendar in many places. Yes, even in many electronic items. For example, mobile phones, laptop, system, watches, and tabs. Yes. What is our first topic? Uses of a calendar. Uses of a calendar. Our key question: why do we use a calendar? Why do we use a calendar, children? Yes, there is no calendar. We couldn't identify the days, dates, weeks, months and year. Yes. Today we are going to start with the topic of PEP activity. What is that? PEP activity 2.1. Salim has enrolled for a chess competition coming up in the month of April. What competition? Chess competition. Which month? April month. Use the chart shown in figure 1 to answer questions about the competition. Use it to answer the following questions. Yes. See, we have a April month chart. Salim has enrolled for the chess competition April 4, Tuesday. When he is going to participate in the competition? 28th Friday, April. Yes. So he enrolled the competition April 4. He participated in the competition 28th. So how many days he does the practice? So count it. Let us see the questions are related on the chart. What is our first question? When did Salim enrolled for the competition? When he enrolled for the competition? 4th April. When he enrolled for the competition? 4th April. What is the next question? Write the day and date of the competition. What is the answer? Friday. What is the day? Friday. What is the date? 28th. 28th April. How many days does he have to practice for the competition? How many days he practiced for the competition? Nearly 23 or 24 days. Yes. Suggest a suitable caption for figure 1. Yes. Caption. We have to give a title of the chart. That figure 1. What is the title? What you are going to give? I given here Salim's calendar because we can get the details about Salim. So I given here Salim's calendar. You can give your own title. I hope you children, everyone understood. Yes. Now we are going to see about calendar. Calendar, a chart that shows us the days, weeks and months of a particular year is called a calendar. Yes, calendar, a chart that shows us the days, weeks and months of a particular year is called a calendar. We use calendars to keep track of the days, special days and several other events, festivals and celebrations, any special occasions and your birthday, everything we can know from the calendar. Calendars comes in various forms. Each one serves a different purpose. Yes. We have various forms of calendar. Each one serves for different purpose. Let us see our next activity. Look deep 2.2. Figure 2, Figure 3, Figure 4 are some examples of calendars. Observe them carefully and list two similarities. Similarities means common between them. Also, list one feature that is unique to each of them. Yes, see the calendars. Figure 2. What is the type of calendar? Yearly calendar. What is this? Yearly calendars. What is the next one? Monthly calendar. What is the next one? Monthly calendar. The third one, a daily calendar. What is this? Daily calendar. Yes, children. Yearly calendar, monthly calendar, daily calendar. We can get the details of a particular year through the yearly calendar. We can get the details of a particular month from the monthly calendar. We can get the details of a day from the daily calendar. See, let us see now similarities. What are the similarities of the calendars? They all have names of the month. Yes, what is the similarities? They all have names of months. They have the days listed. They have the days listed. What are the unique features? Figure 2. What a type of calendar? Yearly calendar. This calendar lists all the months. Yes, we can get the details of a particular year. 12 months. List of the months. Figure 3. What calendar? Monthly calendar. This calendar gives the details of the month of April. What is this? They give the details of the month of April. So we can get the details of a particular month. What is the third one? Daily calendar. This calendar gives the details of a particular day. Yes, we can get the details of a particular day from the daily calendar. Dear children, so these are all the answer you have to write in your studio, and you can write in your own words. Let us see yearly calendar. What is that? Yearly calendar. A yearly calendar gives you a list of the month. List of the 12 months of the year, along with the number of days and weeks of each month. You can mark the days on which certain important events happen across a whole year. Yes, children. For example, my birthday, April month. My birthday is April month means help of the yearly calendar. I can mark it. Yes, because yearly calendar means it has a list of the 12 months. List of the 12 months. So I can mark my birthday, any other family occasions, any festivals and celebrations, my friend's birthday. So I can mark in the yearly calendars. The word calendar comes from the Latin word. The word calendar. What is that? The word calendar comes from the Latin word calendae. What is that? Calendae, which means the first day of the month. What is the meaning? The first day of the month. See, this is example of yearly calendar. The list of the 12 months. So I can mark my birthday, my friend's birthday, any other family functions in the yearly calendar. It is help us to remember the events. What is the next type? Monthly calendar. What is that? Monthly calendar. A monthly calendar gives us the list of the number of weeks and days in a particular month. Yes, gives us the list of the number of weeks and days in a particular month. Sometimes each day of the month might have a small box that you can use to mark notes of events to remember. See children, I gave an example of monthly calendar. These small boxes, we can mark the important events. For example, your birthday, any family functions, any festivals and celebrations, you can mark in the boxes. So it is easily to remember the events. See, our next activity 2.4. Look at the monthly calendar of April 2018. Answer the questions. How many days are there in April month? 30 days. How many days? 30 days. Listen children, a week means 7 days. A week means 7 days. If it is less than 7 days means it is called partial week. If it is less than 7 days means it is called partial week. See, this month has dash days. How many days? 30 days. It has dash full weeks. 7 days means a week. See, how many full weeks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many full weeks are there? 4 full weeks. How many partial weeks are there? Listen children, less than 7 days means it is called partial weeks. So how many partial weeks are there? What is the answer? 1. Write in your studio. Listen children, how many days are there in April month? 30 days. This month has 30 days. 7 days means it is called a full week. So less than 7 days means it is called as partial week. So how many full weeks are there? 4 full weeks are there. How many partial week? 1 partial week of April month. What is our next type of calendar? Daily calendar. What is that? Daily calendar. The daily calendar shows the details of a particular day. The most of the houses have daily calendar. See, in the daily calendar we can know the date, month, years, the details of the particular day. This type of calendar is very useful to remember multiple events that happen in a day. Yes, see this calendar image. This type of calendar is very useful to remember multiple events that happen in a day. For example, you would use a daily calendar to note down your home fund so that you do not forget to complete it. I hope you children, everyone understood about various forms of calendar. Yearly calendar. We can get the details of a whole year, particular year. Monthly calendar. We can get the details of a particular month. Daily calendar. We can get the details of a particular day. Yes. What is our next activity? 2.5. Write 2 other purposes for which you might use a daily calendar. Think yourself. Write 2 other purposes for which you might use a daily calendar. What is the answer? To remember birthday. What is the next one? To remember exam days. Listen children, you can write your own answer here. I gave answer here, but you can write your own answer. What is the purpose? You are using a daily calendar. I hope you everyone understood about it. What is the next activity? Look around. What is the next activity? Look around. 2.6. Let us see our first question. Look through your school diary. Does it have a calendar? Our school diary, does it have a calendar? What is the answer? Yes. I hope you everyone remember. Yes, our school diary has a calendar. If yes, underline the type of calendars that you find in it. What is the type of calendar? We have monthly calendar. What is the type? Monthly calendar. Look around are all the calendars that you have seen of the same size and shape. See children, look around. They are all the calendars. Is it same size? Is it same shape? No. Draw the shapes of any two calendars that you have observed around you. You have to draw any two types of calendar are given here: monthly calendar and daily calendar. You can draw your wish. I given here monthly calendar and daily calendar. You can draw yourself. What is our fifth question? Work with your partner and discuss where each of you have placed calendar in your respective homes. So, you think about yourself, where you have placed calendar in your home. So, you have to write the place. For example, wall, near the switch box, near the fridge, wherever you placed in your home, you have to write your own answer. Let us see some new words. What is the first one? Chart. You have to say along with me. Read along with me, children. Chart. What is the first one? Chart. Month. Competition. Competition. Suitable. Suitable. Track. Track. Events. Events. Practice. Practice. Particular. Particular. Special. Special. Several. Several. I hope you children, everyone enjoyed and learned something new. Thank you children.